Hello YouTube, this is the HyperGo H14BM. You wanna see this before you buy. This will be a unboxing and short review without it running, just sitting on the desk. I will have other videos about this vehicle running through the pavement, grass, mud and dirt coming up in a few days. But for now, let's look what you get in the box. So this is gonna be an unboxing, and as I'm unboxing this product, I have a couple of images there that I took from their website that you can see the details. The body colors are beautiful. You have a golden one, red, white and black that matches the tires. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bodies. You get a lot in the box. Pedal tires, like I said, 2 body shells. And look at this, the quality, the materials that they use. I have this picture here that shows pretty much everything that you get. You can pause and zoom in. You get 2 3S LiPo batteries, 2000 milliamp, a USB charger, arms, tools, clips, wheelie bar. This next clip here, gonna be doing a close-up so you can see the details on the body, the parts. Has working lights, headlamps. Suspension feels great. It's oil-filled shocks. The chassis is metal and it's thick. The plastics on all the parts are durable. I do own already a HyperGo H14B. This one feels about the same or even better. The 2 colors, body colors, we'll replace one here so you can see a closer look. And look how beautiful it is inside. Adding now the golden body. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful body. Wow. This is crazy. Beautiful, beautiful body. I have installed the wheelie bar. This is pretty much the only thing you have to install. Tires looks beautiful as well. Has some nice grip underneath the chassis here, the contour arms. Feeling here the tires, soft. It's not those hard plastics. It's really rubber, and it feels it's gonna grip very well in all terrains. What I love about this HyperGos, it's how good they build these cars. Every single part seems to be the highest quality. No joke, those parts are great. All metal drivetrain, absolutely great. Removing the batteries here, you have these straps. It's gotta be honest, it comes with 2 3S 2000 milliamps hard shell. Again, even the batteries looks great. Has quality. It's good. And again, the suspension looks good, works good. The vehicle doesn't bounce. It's great. This other shot, looking at ESC, the motor, both has fans and heat sinks. Receiver has its own box and waterproofed. Metal parts all over. The chassis is metal and it is very thick. Guaranteed this is gonna hold a lot of abuse. The tires, suspension, the travel, it's amazing. It's soft. Look at this. ESC, receiver, servo has been waterproofed. You see the coating there. And for this very final clip here, I'll turn it on. You have 70 and 100%, and you can just turn on by clicking the ESC. Steering is proportional, fast, and very responsive. I did not notice any delays. Very precise, small movements. You let it go, it comes back. Acceleration, it's also proportional like you'd expect. And this is not even into the crazy mode that I am calling now. This is out of the box, 3S. But you can unlock a much faster. What you gotta do, you go to your ESC and you press it about 5 times and it bips. Once it does that, it's crazy time. You see the tires glowing and popping up? That's because it's a lot of power. But you can still, you know, proportional control the acceleration. You can go back to 70% on your remote, and it will, even being into the high extreme velocity mode, it dials back to manageable speed. Now I'm at the factory velocity there and at 70%, so it gets a lot slower. I wouldn't say you can go slower than that. It may be a challenge for very young kids. But going back to the crazy mode right there, at 100%, the car wants to jump out of those tires. Look at that. Wow. This is crazy. I'm so excited to go out and record this, running in the mud, running in the pavement, grass, dirt, loose rocks, everything. We'll have a blast, me and my son, with all that this vehicle can deliver. Thank you very much for watching. If you watched to the end, consider subscribing if you have not. Leave your question, comments. I'll get back to you shortly. Leave your like or dislike. Share your thoughts. Also have a comparison video of this H14BM with the H14BM. This is the clip you're looking at right now. It will come in a separate video later. Thank you very much once more for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye now.